Ikea granslos microwave suddenly stopped working, displaying error code F215. Thanks for your help.
How old is your Ikea microwave?
4 to 5 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Ikea microwave? What have you tried so far?
First time, I haven't tried anything.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It wasn't on just before, so it couldn't be overheating.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. Sorry to hear you are having trouble with your microwave. Let's see if I can help you on this. This microwave is made by Electrolux for Ikea. So the error code F215 on Electrolux microwaves is a software issue. Basically, it's a fault on the control boards in there. Not sure if you have tried this, but unplug it and leave it 20 minutes and then see if this reboots it. If not, then it's a fault on the control boards, I'm afraid. But check your receipt, as Ikea appliances come with a 5-year warranty, so if it's less than 5 years old, then get in touch with Ikea, as it will still be under warranty with them. Regards.
We have actually fixed the problem by flipping the fuses, but many thanks for your help. Kind regards.
Nice one, glad to hear it's sorted and thanks for letting me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.